everyone. Well, I just wanted to go over Mods 8 and 9 assignments. So let's start with the objectives. Upon completion of this lecture, the student should be able to, in Modules 8 and 9, with the guidance of Dr. Deborah Schein, who is the author of Inspiring Wonder, Awe, and Empathy, Spiritual Development in Young Children, we will attempt to first define spiritual development in the developing self, recognize other developmental domains to spiritual development, explain how to prevent bullying by nurturing spiritual development, and you are to complete the following. First, read Inspiring Wonder, Awe, and Empathy. Second, view learning video lectures and take notes. And 3, complete DBA number 8 and DBA number 9. Now, don't forget, you must always use in-text citations within the body of your posting for all DBAs. You must use your text or my learning video lectures as a source in every post, as well as additional sources, minimum of 2 sources needed. Okay, so let's go over DBA number 8, and you've got 2 choices, okay? The first one is define spiritual development. What does it mean when we talk about spiritual development? Are there different stages? Also, is there a difference between religious belief and spiritual awareness? If so, please explain. Then you are to give a summary of your findings and give a personal reflection about the subject matter. Or you could choose to define bullying and name the various types. Yes, there are different types of bullying. So this DBA topic is in regards to bullying and spiritual development, but I want you guys to actually investigate the different types of bullying, name them, and give a short description of each. Also, explain, according to the author, how to prevent bullying by nurturing spiritual development. Do you agree or disagree with your findings? And give a personal reflection of the subject matter. Okay, so that's DBA number 8. Let's move on to DBA number 9. So in 5 to 6 paragraphs, complete the following. What was the most intriguing thing you learned about from your textbook, Inspiring Wonder, Awe, and Empathy, Spiritual Development in Young Children? That does not include the information you wrote about from DBA number 8. So give a summary of the most important thing you learned about from this textbook. Don't forget, get online and get an alternative source or sources in regards to that same topic, and give a personal reflection about the subject matter. So we have DBA number 8 and DBA number 9 in this section. And can you believe it? We only have one more section to go over, which is Module 10 and 11, when we talk about the philosophical baby. Alrighty, I'll see you then.